Flooring stones are large format porcelain slabs that are made in Italy by Florim. The company has been producing high-performing surfaces for over 60 years. Flooring stones measure 3.2 by 1.6 meters. Their large size allows for seamless designs with minimal joints and enables them to be used in different ways. They have very low porosity, which restricts the growth of bacteria. In fact, the products are certified by the National Sanitation Foundation as suitable for use in direct contact with food and food moisture. Each stone slab is tightly bonded with fiberglass mesh to respond effectively to accidental impact. Flooring stone can be used for both indoor and outdoor environments, as it is resistant to UV rays. Constant exposure to solar rays does not alter its color, as the material is free from resin. Flooring stone is also resistant to high heat, even when it comes to the hottest pans. And being non-porous, it is waterproof and stain resistant. Using modern technology and processes, Flooring stone offers creative flexibility and high technical and aesthetic performance. With Florim, you can choose the neutrality of a single color, opt for elegant marble, or even go with something bolder like metal. In terms of finishes, the options include polished, matte, and velvet. Each lends its own distinctive quality to the space. No regular sealing, conditioning, or polishing is required when it comes to maintaining Florim stone. For regular cleaning, all you need to do is wipe it with a neutral liquid detergent and a soft sponge or microfiber cloth.